So Adani Power it has given a recent breakout, and I have invested in three positions, as you can see in May, and also in April I have invested, and recently before the breakout on 4th June also I have taken 5 more positions on Adani Power, and it was at 101.65 something over here. So that was just before the breakout, because it has a good risk to reward ratio actually. So that's the main reason I have taken Adani Power position, because it has this is acting as a support, good support. You can see that it's a perfect place for the support. So that is the reason I have taken as a nice position for that. And you can see this trend line acting as a support, and as well as this trend line acting as a resistance, and the volumes are also increasing. That's a perfect sweet spot for taking a position. That's the reason I have taken a good position over there. Okay. And it has given a good risk to reward as well, and I have exited some of my positions over here at all time high. This was all time high in the monthly time frame. If you look at the multi time frame, you will get a good idea. So this was the all time high from the September 2010. So this 145.959 is the all time high. I have exited some positions over there, and recently it has seen some witnessed some profit booking as well on a daily time frame, if you see that. And I may be exiting some other positions at this level. And don't try to enter the positions it right now, because it may be consolidating right now from these ranges to something like this, and again it may broke in the future, but not right now. It may consolidate for some more time. So I would not suggest to take another position from this level, and try to exit from this stock at these levels. Whatever the profit you are getting, that's fine, because the risk to reward is around 4.66 if you have entered it over this period, but not right now. I would not suggest to take the positions right now on Adani Power.